Hiccup. Oh, hiccup.
Why'd you look at her?
Frankie was cranky. Hello, Thomas. Frankie doesn't want to talk at all. That's right.
Oh, hiccup. Oh.
Now Thomas was
Anaka.
You know all about loading freight.
Hiccup. 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 Oh, hiccup. Oh, hiccup. Oh, hiccup. Oh, hiccup. Oh, yucky. Oh, hiccup. Oh, hiccup.